Hayabawan, and welcome back. I'm Candia, your guide on this journey to financial independence, and today I'm thrilled to show you a clear, actionable path. This is about empowering every single person in Sri Lanka, regardless of their background, to achieve genuine financial freedom and security. We're talking about a realistic plan to get there in just 7 years. Forget just passively saving your hard-earned money. This is about strategically building a diverse portfolio of income-generating assets. Assets that generate consistent passive income, working for you even while you sleep. This will allow you to live life truly on your own terms, with the flexibility and peace of mind you deserve. You absolutely don't need a massive fortune to start this journey. In fact, even a few thousand Sri Lankan rupees is more than enough to get the ball rolling. With smart planning and consistent daily actions focused on growth, you can break free from the traditional rat race and the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Instead, you'll be on the path to building real, lasting wealth. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover 7 powerful investment strategies tailored for Sri Lanka, starting with accessible options like fixed deposits, all the way to more advanced strategies like investing in real estate, and so much more to diversify your portfolio. So, are you ready to finally take control of your financial future and build the life you've always dreamed of? Then, let's dive right in and get started. First up, high-interest fixed deposits, the safest way to grow your money in Sri Lanka. FDs offer guaranteed returns and protect your capital, making them perfect for beginners. Start with as little as 25,000 rupees and let your money earn steady interest. Shop around for the best rates. Sometimes smaller banks offer better deals. Consider splitting your money into multiple FDs with different maturity dates for flexibility. This is your financial foundation. Simple, secure, and effective. Let's move to the next level. Once your safety net is firmly in place, providing that crucial financial cushion, it's time to consider index funds, a cornerstone of smart investing. They represent one of the most effective and straightforward ways to build wealth over the long term. Index funds offer you the opportunity to own a proportional share of the entire market, effectively spreading out risk and minimizing fees, which can eat into your returns over time. You can start by investing small amounts monthly, conveniently through a systematic investment plan or SIP, even with a modest sum, like just 5,000 rupees. Over time, the power of compounding, coupled with consistent market growth, can transform those small investments into a substantial sum, creating significant wealth. Consistency is absolutely key. Set it, forget it, and let it work for you, and watch your wealth steadily grow over the years. You don't need to spend time and effort trying to pick individual stocks, just ride the overall market's growth and benefit from its upward trends. Next, let's delve into the world of individual stocks and explore their potential. Investing in individual stocks offers higher potential returns, but also higher risk. Open a central depository system account and start small. Limit stocks to 10 to 15% of your portfolio. Focus on strong, stable companies with good track records. Diversify by considering both Sri Lankan and global stocks for broader growth. Don't panic during market dips. Think long-term and hold quality companies. Regular small investments can build a powerful portfolio over 7 years. Now, let's explore a modern way to earn passive income, P2P lending. P2P lending lets you earn higher interest by lending directly to individuals or small businesses. Returns can be much higher than traditional savings, but so is the risk. Use reputable platforms and diversify your loans across many borrowers to reduce risk. Even small amounts spread out can generate steady monthly cash flow. It's a tech-driven way to make your money work harder. Next, don't overlook your pension savings. Your EPF and ETF are powerful, automatic wealth builders. Don't ignore them. Over 20% of your salary is invested every month, compounding tax-free for your future. Track your balance and maximize contributions, especially if you get a raise. Self-employed? You can make voluntary contributions too. This fund quietly grows into a major part of your financial security. Now, let's talk real estate. Real estate is a classic wealth builder. Think capital gains and rental income. Can't afford a house? Start with a small plot of land or pool resources with others. Watch for opportunities in up-and-coming areas or consider future riots for easy entry. Real estate offers diversification and steady cash flow without being a landlord. Even small investments can grow significantly over 7 years. For stability, let's look at bonds. Bonds are your portfolio's anchor, safe, steady, and reliable. Government bonds offer low risk and predictable returns. Corporate bonds pay more but carry slightly higher risk. Mix both for balance and income. Buy through your broker or a primary dealer. Bonds protect your capital and smooth out market ups and downs. Now let's wrap up your journey. That's your 7-step blueprint to financial freedom right here in Sri Lanka. This is a comprehensive guide designed to help you navigate the world of personal finance. Start small with whatever you can spare. Be consistent, make it a daily or weekly habit, and let the power of time and compounding work its magic for you. Watch your investments grow exponentially over the years. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It will never arrive. Begin today, even with a modest amount. Every little bit counts towards your future. Financial freedom is possible for anyone, regardless of their background. It's achievable for those willing to learn, adapt, and take consistent action. Remember, it's not just about accumulating money. It's about buying back your precious time and gaining control over your life. It's about designing a life where you have the freedom to make choices and live life on your own terms. The path to financial freedom is clear and well-defined. Take your first step now and start building the future you deserve. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you being here. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more valuable insights.